This is Shannon, realtor with BreckLiving.com. I'm at 50 Mountain Thunder Lodge, number 1215. It's on the market for $829, and I thought I'd give you a sneak preview. So you come right in the door, and it's a nice open floor plan. This is actually one of the largest floor plans at Mountain Thunder. Here is the kitchen. It has a nice big refrigerator, electric stove, and then granite tile countertops. So there's some extra seating there. Opens up to a great big living room with a TV and gas fireplace there. And then dining for 6 people here. Now you are looking out at the South Gondola lot and the beautiful Baldy Mountain, which gives you incredible alpenglow in the evening if you're barbecuing out there. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite. This is a queen bedroom with a TV. And that's the queen. Again, for your ski access, actually, you'll just walk straight across to the gondola, but you can actually ski back in. Here's a nice tub and shower, bathroom. This will be a fantastic bathroom for your guests. And then we just walk a little further down the hallway and you have a king bedroom ensuite. So this again has the TV. You'll have the views of the gondola, the town, Baldy Mountain from this bedroom. Really nice furnished, and this actually rents really well. Here's the bathroom inside here. Does have dual sinks here, and then a tub and shower. And then actually the bathroom is separated. So here's the toilet, as well as one more additional shower. So you can see this is very spacious. You have lots of privacy being at the end of the hallway, and the stairways actually to go right down. The pathway to get over to the gondola is just actually right outside of this unit, so it's convenient to town, and you will be involved with the Breckenridge Mountain Association, which allows for shuttle and services up at One Ski Hill Road. If you would like to see this unit in person, please give me a call at 970-389-9168, or go to my website, BreckLiving.com, and send me a message. I look forward to working with you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.